Hey, we're matching. I'm matching with the taco.
Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Ljs Garage, and this one's a little bit different. I'm doing some car things and working on some stuff, and I figured a lot of YouTubers like to bring people along with them, so I brought you guys along with me for this adventure, you could call it. For those of you that are here for the reviews and the car stuff like that, don't worry, that's not going anywhere. This one's a little bit of a special project until I get something else in the garage that I can work on. I'm doing this favor for a friend and his girlfriend. He's kind of away for a while, and his truck unfortunately was involved in a little hit and run, and the person was never found, so he's got some damage done to his truck, and I wanted to take the chance to actually, do something kind for him, because I've known the guy for a few years and he's always looking out for people. Real good guy. So it's not too terrible, but it does need some work. This bumper can actually be saved, I'm thinking. There's a couple clips that pop out and pop in and all that good stuff, so should be able to get this cleaned up and actually save this bumper. If you look down in here, you can see this is a little cracked up, so we'll have to pull everything apart and see exactly what's broken. This looks like it's all right too. We'll need a new headlight. And we might be able to actually get this dent out and save this, but at the very most, we're looking at a fender, headlight, and one of these fender flares, because this is actually broken. But once we get everything pulled off, I'm thinking that there's a lot of this that we're actually going to be able to save. So it looks promising, and it shouldn't be too expensive. This actually doesn't look like too much of a crazy challenge, but it'll be fun, it'll be nice. And I think once we're done with this taco is going to be a rock star again. And then while we're at it, I'm pretty sure we can get a good deal on another headlight, or polish these up and do some sort of oxidation correction. This front end right here, you can actually see it broke off of this clip, but this just pops right out. We can get a new piece for that. It's right there, I'm pretty sure. So, it might just be missing some clips. Whenever it comes to body work and all that stuff, you really don't know what you're getting into until you pull everything off and see the extent of the damage. And so I'm concerned that there might be some more broken clips and things like that that are underneath all of the damage. So I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that once we pull everything and look at it, that it really looks that, everything we're seeing now is exactly what it is. And there are no other surprises unless it's positive surprises, because we like that, right? Thank you guys for checking out yet another episode in Ljs Garage. If you look forward to seeing the progress of this taco, be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, and if you're just curious to see how it turns out, then stay tuned.